Do you need a living trust? California trust attorney Robert Firth says not everyone does, but in California, odds are you will. Here are some questions and circumstances you should consider. Is the gross value of your estate, not counting your life insurance and retirement plans, over $166,250? If so, you need a trust to avoid the long, expensive, and public probate process. So, if you own real estate in one or a number of states, the answer is yes, you should have a living trust. Multi-state probate can be an expensive proposition. Next, do you need to protect an inheritance that's meant for your children from a previous marriage? Then you need a living trust. It's hard to do that with just a will and nearly impossible without one. You also need a living trust if you want to protect your spouse and children's inheritance from creditors or divorce. If your child dies, do you want to make sure your grandchildren receive the inheritance rather than your child's spouse? Then you need a living trust. And finally, do you want to keep the court out of your business should you become incapacitated? With a living trust, your spouse can simply take over management of your financial affairs. Without one, they'll need to hire a lawyer and petition the court for a conservatorship. That's an extra burden, both financial and emotional, that no one needs. If you fall into any of these categories, you need an experienced Coachella Valley trust attorney. Call Robert Firth or visit firthlaw.com.